And what sign is that?
No.
What else do you know?
More.
More. And how about all done? All done. And do you remember diaper? Yeah, good.
Oh.
What else do you know? Ouchie? Mm-hmm. Do you remember water? That's a hard one.
Uh-oh.
A W on your face? Yeah, good. Do you remember any more?
Oh, Georgia.
Maybe banana?
Oh, Georgia. I will remember banana and fish.
Banana? Okay, good. Banana. What's fish? Mm-hmm. Do you remember cracker? All right, Ben. Very nice. Thank you very much, Ben.
Thank you.